And the little charger here, the A3Pro, can do them all. Hi guys, Brett here from Hearns, and today I'd like to talk to you about a battery charger. Well, one in particular, the Tornado A3Pro. And this is a really popular little charger for your ready-to-run car. A lot of the cars, they do come with chargers and provisions for charging your battery, whether it's a VRX Octane, the VRX Bullet, or a Traxxas vehicle. They all come with some sort of charger in their ready-to-run form. However, the Traxxas ones, for example, they're 12 volt, so they really need an auxiliary point in your car or such, or a converter. And the other ones that come with can be quite a slow charger. So they will charge and they do a good job, but they're only a half amp capacity. So to get you charging a bit more reliably and a bit more faster, a little upgrade and a valuable investment is the Tornado A3Pro. So let's get into it and do a little bit of an unboxing and a quick demonstration on how it works. So I've got a very tidy box here, obviously. Beautiful little unit, very compact, very simple to use. It's got 3 buttons on the whole charger, so it's very simplistic and easy to use. We've got our 240 volt cable, which I'll take the time now to plug in, and I'll turn it on, get that one working. Then again, we've got a very simple connector. Now this charger will in fact do 3 kinds of batteries. It'll do LiPo, it'll do Life batteries, and it'll do nickel metal hydride. So today I'm going to run you through 2 of them, the LiPo and nickel metal, because that's probably the most common that we'll be using. It does come with this charge cable here, and this has got what we refer to as a Tamiya, common Tamiya connector, and a mini Tamiya connector for smaller scale items. And then we've got a comprehensive little instruction booklet. It's single-sided. It's pretty simple to use, so it doesn't need a lot of detail. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this in here to the charge port. It's as simple as that. Now I've got 2 styles of battery here. I've got one that's going to come with 90% of the cars on the market, be it Tamiya based cars or like the VRX Octane. So, and it's got the white style plug on it. So I'm going to go ahead, plug that on, get a nice firm connection there, and then we'll push the chemical composition of this battery is NiMH, nickel metal hydride. So we go ahead and push that button, and we'll push it again, and it's flashing. Now that shows me that it is charging. When that's finished charging, that will just go back to a constant light. Now this is a 2400 milliamp battery, which is a really good size. It'll run the cars for a good 5 to 10 minutes realistically, and a charge time on this charger of about an hour, which is really good. Now when it is done in nickel metal hydride, you will feel a slight warmth. Won't be scalding hot, but it will be warm to the touch, and that's a good indication to know that it's charged. So say you've got a Traxxas car. So I'll go ahead and turn this off. If you've got a Traxxas car and you'll go, oh, my Traxxas ready to run, it's come with a nickel metal, doesn't have the right plug. Well, that's as simple as getting a plug adapter. And these are readily available, and they come in a lot of different configurations. So here's our plug adapter. And this one here, you can see it converts from the Tamiya style to what we call a Traxxas style connector, which will work on our Traxxas style battery. Now this battery here is a hump pack, and it's actually 7 cells, and that's really common in the ready to run Traxxas range. Again, for minimal upgrade, we've got ourselves a good consistent charging. Again, push the button and it'll flash away. Again, that battery will be warm to the touch when it's finished. And again, this is a 5000 milliamp battery, so you could expect a charge time of about 2 hours on this, given that this charger will output 2 amps. So say you've got you want a cheap, reliable charger, again the A3Pro for your LiPo batteries. And again, this comes in a load of forms. The most common is, got a trusty 9-steps battery here, 3S and 2S configurations. And this is because a lot of the LiPo power cars, they don't come with any batteries or chargers at all, so you will in fact have to buy them. And the thing I like about this charger is it's so easy to use. So to do a LiPo battery, we'll in fact unplug this plug here, And then we'll go ahead and plug in, commonly referred to as the balance port. Plug that in. Just bear with me. I've upset the charger. I'm going to turn it off and turn it on again. Turn the charger to on LiPo mode. I'm going to go ahead there, plug in the balance port and push the LiPo button. Again, now we can see it's charging. Now a battery of this capacity, again 5200 milliamps, is probably going to have a charge time of around 2 hours. Now the difference with LiPo is there should not be any warmth or heat. In fact, they'll be just room temperature to the charge when they're finished. So we have to depend on the fact that that light is remaining constant, and that's how you know it's charged. And that will come either in 2 or 3S configurations. And the little charger here, the A3 Pro, can do them all. So thanks for watching.